Hello, I'm Tomlinson, and I've developed RidersRasp. This is a rounding tool for the horse owner to use. And today I just wanted to give some instruction on the use of it. It's very simple. It has two rasps in it and they're replaceable. There's two screws that you can replace the rasp with. Just take out those two screws and remove the two rasps and you can replace them. Now I'm going to show how I go about rounding up a foot. First, I make sure that it is clean, and the cleaner your foot, the longer your rasp will last. Now, I can lay the bottom rasp flush against the hoof wall to dress flare. So if I lay it flush against the hoof wall, I brace the foot with my knee. I don't have to put the foot between my legs like with a conventional rasp because I'm just using one hand. And I can dress flare just like that by laying that flush against the wall. Now, if I want to round the hoof wall, as I start with it flush, I will begin to drop the top side of the rasp. So I'll drop the tool towards the sole as I round the hoof. Now if I just have some cracking and chipping and I just want to file that off, I can basically just lay the tool, the top of it, right on the sole of the foot and go around. And this will put a 45-degree bevel on the wall, which is great for taking away those sharp edges. You can see we can round back this toe right here. Press off these little chips here. I can pull the rasp to me. This inside heel is a little high, so I'm going to lay my top rasp flush on that heel and dress that down just a little bit. But mainly I just use it for rounding. I do not call this tool a trimming tool, I call it a rounding tool, and it's used for in-between professional trims. So when you first see a little bit of flaring or a little bit of cracking and chipping, just round it up. Also, if you lose a shoe, this tool is great for just taking off those edges until the farrier returns. When you lose a shoe, you're going to have a lot of sharp edges, and they often chip and break off. So just go right around the foot. Take away those sharp edges, and there you are. All of this is nice and rounded off, and ready for work.